Hello, this is Michael Emery with Emery EPS Internet Marketing, and I'm doing website reviews for the keyword search phrase Seattle Attorney. Essentially what I'm doing is I'm identifying some of the elements that are preventing websites from showing up on page 1 and in the top 3 positions for the keyword search phrase Seattle Attorney. So we're on page 7 now, and we're going to be looking at position 61, 62, let's see here, 62, Rhodes Legal Group. So let's take a look at this website and see what's happening here. The website looks good, visually appealing. It might be a little bit light in terms of text content, written content, but let's take a look and see what the robots tell us when they scan this site. So we've got our title here, Seattle Criminal Defense Attorneys, Rhodes Legal Group, looks good. Okay. I would say this needs some optimization here. The headings, criminal law, these need some optimization. What we're not seeing here is I'm not seeing the geographic location in here. So we need to add Seattle or the targeted areas in Washington State, and then also more. So H1, H2, we don't have any H3s, so we need to optimize some of these headings here. Images need to have alt descriptions. We have to tell the computer what an image is. It doesn't have associative capacities quite yet. I'm sure that's coming. Micro formats, we need to integrate that, and the rest of it looks fine. Gonna take a look here. We're still doing the analysis of the performance and speed for this website. I use a site called GT Metrics to do this, and I'm going to make a guess that we're not dealing with optimal scores here just because of the amount of time it's taking. I could be wrong. It happens from time to time. But then I'm going to go to Google, the developer tool. It's called Page Speed Tools, and we're seeing right here we got a score with our mobile version of this website that we need to fix. The mobile it looks good, but we got some compression and optimization issues that are happening here, and these are also affecting the desktop version. The desktop version is a little bit more forgiving though. So, and we're still running this analysis. So I'm gonna guess that we're gonna be probably, I could be wrong, but I'm gonna guess around C's, low C scores, maybe D's. Let's take a look now at the offsite factors. So the offsite factors are really what determines why a website shows up on, say, page 7 instead of page 1. We want to be on page 1. So we got 18, our trust flow is 18 out of 100, citation flow is 23, 786 backlinks. Okay, so I'm going to say that there's probably been some SEO done on this site in the past. We got a good backlink profile here. We're this generic view website, it's a little bit high. We got a brand. Here's a keyword phrase. It's fine. It's a little bit high, but it's fine. Seattle criminal lawyer. I'm gonna have to check and see where they're showing up for that. Local criminal lawyer. That's fine. It's Seattle criminal defense attorney. It's fine, but I don't know why it's spelled defense in that fashion. Should be a S instead of a C for this target market. Lawyer in Seattle. That's another one. Seattle criminal defense lawyer, Seattle. So with these keyword phrases and the trust flow like this, I would like to see this website have a trust flow of 28 to 38 to be competitive for page 1 positioning. So let's see here. We're still doing an analysis on the on-site. So I'm going to guess that there's some on-site issues here. If that pops up and finishes before I finish recording this video, then I'll show that. So essentially what we need to do to make this website more competitive, to move it off of page 7 in the search results for a keyword phrase like Seattle Attorney and move it onto page 1 and position it for being in the top 3, we've got to fix those on-site problems. We need to get our scores into the green for both page speed and also GT metrics. Then we also need to resolve some of the off-site problems, which means we need to run some higher quality SEO campaigns. Whatever's been done is probably not penalizing you, but at the same time, it's not competitive enough to move you onto page 1 and position you for the relevant keyword phrases that this website could be positioned for. And so essentially the reason why we want to do that is because on page 2 of Google, actually page 1, position 10, throughout page 2 through 10 of Google, those websites that show up in the search results get less than 1% of the total traffic that actually goes and visits those. People will spend most of their time, the website visitors will go to the websites that show up in position 1, 2, and 3. So that's where we want to be. That's where all the activity is. That's where all the money is. That's where the most people you can help would be. So essentially, we increase the visitors to your website by increasing the visibility. That helps with conversions. The more conversions there are, the more people you can help, and as a result, you generate more revenues. So I'd love to have the opportunity to speak with the individual in charge of internet marketing for this firm. I believe that there's some insightful information to be fleshed out here, and I would love to have the opportunity to create an outline and then answer any questions that you might have about our SEO and optimization services. So thank you very much for your time, and I will be in touch. And here's our page score. So it's taking 6.4 seconds. We got a C score here, and we got some requests. So yep, some optimization issues for the site that we can definitely resolve. Thank you.